Okay, Peugeot 406. This is a 2002 model SV with the V6 engine, and we'll have a look at how to or where to find the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors in this particular motor. This is the later 152 kilowatt version. If we remove the style cover, camshaft position sensors are here. Pretty easy to get to. They've got a one small bolt that holds them on. The second one is there. The crankshaft position sensor though is down on the bell housing and quite difficult to get to. You've got to remove the air tube, take that off, and of course you've got a vacuum hose there that you have to disconnect. You can leave the inlet manifold on. It gives you more space though if you remove it, but a fair bit of mucking around if you take that off. Okay, here's the original crankshaft position sensor. The numbers on it: 9632 889 780 and 2501. Not sure if that means anything. 2-pin. And slotted mounting holes, so you don't have to take out the bolt. In fact, I'd advise you not to take out the bolt. That will only make life more difficult. Now, I took off the inlet manifold, removed it in order to give myself more space to get down to the bolt. Now, the crankshaft position sensor, and you won't be able to see it from this, sits directly underneath the junction for the heater hoses, and directly below the what have we got? The inlet camshaft cover. So directly below there, down on the back of the bell housing. 10mm socket, small universal on a 1/4" drive. And that needs to go down between those two heater hoses there.